2016, I went to see a gastrointestinal doctor. She did a colonoscopy and said that I had Crohn's disease. So then she wanted to put me on some medicines. Well, I started taking the medicines, but not as it was prescribed, because after I got to reading, it said may cause liver damage. Well, I was talking to a friend of mine who told me to talk to my chiropractor that I had just recently started seeing in 2017. I talked to him about the issues that I was having, and he was very, very reassuring and letting me know that he has a regimen that I could begin with: tuna, gastrix, and boswellia. After doing the treatment for, I'd say, a month, I noticed I wasn't having the flare-ups that I was having, as I was having with the medicine that the doctor had prescribed me. Well, after 3 months, I had to go back to the gastrointestinal doctor, and they asked me how I was doing on the medicine, because they wanted to test me every month to see if I had any liver enzymes increasing. And after I told her, I come clean with her and told her that I wasn't taking that medicine because of the may cause liver damage, and I've been doing the treatment that Dr. Tyndall had spoke to me about, and she wasn't very happy with that. So then I had to come back in another month, and she was asking about the flare-ups, how they were going, and ironically, I wasn't having any flare-ups, which was a tremendous burden off of me because they were very painful. So that's my 6-month checkup with the gastrointestinal doctor. She told me that I needed to go back in and have another colonoscopy. Well, I kept doing the treatment that Dr. Tyndall had spoken of, and like clockwork, because I had faith in that it was going to work. And because it had already ceased the flare-ups, I wasn't having any, and I was honestly starting to feel better inside. And so I went in and done the colonoscopy at 6 months, and the doctor came back in with a funny look on her face and says, all I can tell you is keep doing what you're doing, because it's obviously working, because there was no signs of Crohn's. And I just wanted to let Dr. Tyndall know that I appreciate every ounce of encouragement, and stay off all these refined foods and pastas and rice and all these other things. That between that and the regimen that he had put me on, the vitamins, supplements, herbal supplements that he had put me on, everything turned out great. And I am very thankful, and I was blessed to know him. Thank you.